Just like the Motor Vehicles Act, you are an officer as defined in the All-Terrain Vehicles Act, and you are responsible for enforcing it. Again, it is important that you are familiar with this act and how it relates to your job. A copy of the All-Terrain Vehicles Act is included under the Supplemental Materials menu item. You should have it handy so that you can look up specific sections we refer to as you go along. We will now go over the most important sections in the All-Terrain Vehicles Act. In Part 2, we are going to look at Section 5, Bylaws. This section gives the Council authority to make its own bylaws for the control, use, and operation of all-terrain vehicles on highways and other areas within a municipality. A council has the authority to pass a bylaw to regulate all-terrain vehicles and special all-terrain vehicles in many areas. In Part 3, we are going to look at Section 9.02, Application of Bylaws and Regulations and Authority of Council or Commissioner. This section gives the Council authority to make bylaws to restrict or prohibit the operation of special all-terrain vehicles on a highway. Just like the Motor Vehicles Act, highway here means a road, place, bridge, or structure, whether publicly or privately owned, that the public is ordinarily entitled or permitted to use for the passage of vehicles. This overview should give you a basic understanding of the All-Terrain Vehicles Act, but again, it is important that you go through it on your own and make sure you know all of the rules that it is your duty to enforce. By now, you're probably wondering, what do you do when you encounter someone committing an offense? That will all be explained next in Unit 12.